Hiccup Hippo woke with a roar, stretching his legs on the bedroom floor. He blinked his eyes, gave a big kick, then out it came a giant egg. I said, he poured some juice into a cup, but hiccuped hard and messed it up. His clothes flew high, his eggs went splat, his cereal bowl landed on the cat. Hippo, what a sight! Hiccuping morning, noon and night. Bounce and bump and tumble too, all from a hiccup peekaboo. He packed a snack and strolled to the park, but hiccuped so loud it scared a lark. He tripped on a log and fell on his knees, right beside some buzzing bees. He grabbed a balloon and floated high, soon past clouds in the blue sky. But hiccuped hard and let it go, down he spun like a swirling show. Hippo, what a sight! Hiccuping morning, noon and night. Bounce and bump and tumble too, all from a hiccup peekaboo. Grandma's house he made his way. She knew how to make hiccups go away. Hold your breath and count to 4 and give a mighty jungle roar. Kids count 1, 2, 3, 4, roar. He squeezed his eyes, spun around, waited for a hiccup sound, but nothing came, not even a pop. Could it be the hiccup stopped? Hiccup Hippo yawned real wide, snuggled in and turned on his side. No more bumps, no juice to spill, just dreams of dancing on a hill. Bye-bye hiccups, time for bed, no more bouncing on his head. Sleepy hippo dreams come true, no more hiccups, just soft snooze.